because if I take a piece of cotton wool and throw it at you at 1,000 miles an hour, 1,000 meters a second, that's really gonna hurt.
File to the dish off, some piss poor niggas until we rose up a molder. Surveillance land colder, a warpath upon their rising. Look through their eyes, they never lie. The close ties, high waves, ties embrace them. The duty is heavy out of his X5 nose, eyes closed when approaching. Boats that kill closer, vogue, a hell of a year older soldier. I lead like it's Delta, felt it very seldom. Bell run, panther like a Meldrew. Lose but the beans cooped up for the screw footed poop putts. The fruits roll up when it's pulled up. The culture eating from the inside like ulcers. Pit vultures, vipers, L.I. with the pale vibe, the ill side to fight with. Righteous, the corner retired, stick with the fire lit. Orders to die last, ride past your carrot to change up danger. Bang up to the clouds, the fame rusted, became blush from the skies. Hard record with a foreign score. Oh Lord, he doing it again. Proving from the pit brutal, you losing out of restraint. Paint picture with my brush down, the hush sound of pickle. Big lifter, figure ain't how I lay skate. Then on to the next. Parent, big baron, doom. Birth from the house of trade, these 80s, ride metal, we big here. Distant vision, defend, give him pink penalties loud with a kill license. While you crowd around for excitement. Hang him, let his feet dangle, slave through every angle. The pain fatal, able to teach us enough. The keys to stay driven, witness a guard at his highest. The fixed by his highest state of the gift tries. The Godfather fled me from Spartacus. From the heart of it, picture the garden where Christ spoke to the Father. Resurrected, became a big martyr when a stone rolled back.
It's always us and never them. We veterans, been better than. Watch where you stepping in. We bring it in close to everything. Let it rain. Kicking down these doors won't let us in. It's always us and never them. We veterans, been better than. Watch where you stepping in. We bring them in close to everything. Let it rain. Kicking down these doors won't let us in. Let us in. Won't let us in, boy. We're kicking them down. They won't let us in. That's how it always gonna be, man. Ain't never them, never them. It's always us. Casa, catch.
So momentum, the momentum is of an object is the mass times the velocity. But very often we use this phrase momentum figuratively. Momentum talks about the movement, the forward movement, the how it's going. Okay, and this is the momentum of something.